Hey, what's up? Some weeks ago I tested Feel T1XS wireless earbuds on our channel, Tech Brothers. I really liked that earbuds, especially Feel Plus application. You can watch the video about them by the link in description. Now I have the new wireless earbuds from the same brand, Feel CC2. They also support Feel Plus app as well as Bluetooth 5.2, game mode, and up to 32 hours of music playback. You know the features are very good for $50 TWS earbuds. However, let's check the microphone quality, sound quality, and latency in games. We will also look at the main features in the app. Hit the like button under this video and let's get started. You know I like when there's all information about the products on the box. So we can see the image of earbuds on the front and back, as well as their main features such as true wireless stereo Bluetooth, unique design and easy setup, long battery life, ENC, low latency mode, Feel Plus app. Inside the box there's left and right earbuds and charging case separately. Also we have a quick start guide and another black box with user manual and USB Type-C charging cable. Feel CC2 earbuds have semi-in-ear design, so you don't need silicone ear tips. I'm very impressed when I first took the charging case and earbuds in my hands. Are these earphones really worth $50? First, I like materials and build quality of a Feel CC2 earbuds. It looks and feels like a charging case and earbuds are made of metal. However, I think that it is a plastic with metal texture because they are not heavy. As you can see, the charging case don't have a lid. It seems that the earbuds fall out from the charging case easily, but they don't. The magnets are very powerful. A charging case has a single LED indicator on the top and USB Type-C charging port on the bottom. We can also see a very nice Feel logo on the front. The earbuds have the same metal texture, but a black plastic head. As I already said, Feel CC2 earphones have semi-in-ear design, so they don't have silicone ear tips. Each earbud has LED indicator on the top, touch panel, ENC microphone, call microphone, and charging contacts. Design is one of the main features of Feel CC2 earbuds. The manufacturer says that the new earphones are designed by German DA team. On official website there is a lot of information about development and design of the new earbuds. You know I like when manufacturers pay attention to design of their products. Of course the sound quality, microphone quality, low latency are more important for me in wireless earbuds, but also they should look and feel good. Feel CC2 look like expensive earbuds, but they cost only $50. By the way, they are also comfortable. The weight of one earbud is only 4 grams, so they also don't feel in the ears. Because of the semi-in-ear design, you can wear the earbuds for hours and don't feel discomfort. However, I didn't find any information about water resistance. Probably you shouldn't exercise or walk in the rain with these earphones because they might break. The connection of Feel CC2 earbuds to smartphone is very simple. You just need to take out the earbuds of charging case, press on touch panels, and you will hear the music. Now take your phone, go to Bluetooth settings and select Feel CC2. That's all. The new Feel earbuds have many control functions. By the way, the new earphones have default mode out of the box, but you can activate full mode in the Feel Plus app. Later I will show you how to do this. In the default settings you can play both the music with double press on the earbuds as well as call voice assistant on smartphone, answer or reject the phone call. When you activate full mode, you will be able to volume up and down, switch to the next or previous track. These are very useful functions, so I recommend you to activate full mode. Let me show you how to do that. Like the previous earbuds I have tested from Feel company, the new Feel CC2 also support Feel Plus application. It is available on Android and iOS devices. When you first open the app, you need to log in and enter as a guest. Now choose Feel CC2 earbuds. They are the first in the list. You know I have tried to add the earbuds on iPhone 12, but the app says that this version of Feel Plus is not support this model. However, it is okay on Android smartphone. In the app we can see the battery level of the left and right earbuds as well as charging case. And then there are 3 EQ modes available, such as bass, original and treble. You can also click on More and choose the music genre, for example, classic, jazz, light music, cinema, etc. We can also change the default call volume and media volume. In the settings menu there is full control mode, low latency mode, firmware version and advanced settings with single option, reset. Okay, now I want to check the latency with low latency mode on and off. We can read in the app that low latency mode will greatly reduce the latency of videos and games. Let's check it out. By the way, latency mode is not recommended to use when listening to music. First, I will play the video and game without low latency mode. Now I will activate low latency mode and run the video and play PUBG Mobile again. The latency is really lower, especially in game, so it is better to activate low latency mode when playing games, but turn it off when listening to music. Feel CC2 earbuds have ENC and Call microphones. Let's check the microphone quality.
Hey guys, I'm testing the microphone of Feel CC2 earbuds in my studio. I'm alone here, and the windows is closed, and nobody makes any noise. Now I played a video on YouTube with simulation of street noise. It is noisy enough, but you can still hear me well, right?
Talking about sound quality of a Feel CC2, the new earbuds are equipped with 13.1mm customized titanium diaphragm. They are not powered by Qualcomm chipset, so they don't support aptX and AAC codecs. In the app we can choose bass mode, but the bass is still not very deep. I think it is very good, because I don't like the bass get in the way of mids and trebles. Thus, we get a balanced sound with crisp and detailed vocals and natural instrumentals. I also like the earbuds with semi-in-ear design, because the music feels around you, but not directly in your ears like the earbuds with silicone ear tips. As for the battery, Feel CC2 earbuds have 5 hours of playtime on a single charge. You can also use the charging case 5.5 times, so the total battery life with charging case is about 32 hours. The manufacturer also says that 5 minutes of charge is enough for 1 hour of listening to music. That's very good. Feel CC2 are very good earbuds for $50. They have many advantages, such as premium design, full control set, including volume control, Feel Plus app support with equalizer, low latency mode, good microphone quality, balanced sound with crisp vocals and natural instrumentals, and long battery life up to 32 hours with charging case. However, I also found some drawbacks, such as no water resistance. In addition, I couldn't connect the earbuds to Feel Plus application on my iPhone. If you like a very high bass, then probably these earbuds are not for you, because Feel CC2 provide balanced sound. Thank you for watching, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.